Hello guys, Potato Chip Man here, and today, as you can see from the title, I am gonna be beating Animal Company. Now, I know you can't really actually beat Animal Company, but on my iPad right here, I'm gonna put the list right here. I have a list of chores I need to do to beat Animal Company. Now, the first one is get an egg. Let's go do that. Alright guys, we made it to the chicken. And right there is the egg. Now, let's try to get it. I have my handy dandy flying trident with me, so hopefully I can get it. Cue the montage. Hey guys, this time I got Taco Gun, so let's go get that egg. Run! We got it! Yeah, you stupid chicken. You didn't get me this time. Oh crap! Oh crap! Oh crap! Alright guys, we got the egg! After trial and effort, we finally got it. Now, let's look at the next thing. Next thing is, get prune juice! Let's go do that. I found something in the office. Shut up! Alright guys, let's go get that prune juice. Oh, where is it? Come on. Prune juice! Oh, chat, I think I found something in the store. Prune juice! Oh my god. I can't believe it. I finally found some prune juice. I'm dead. Well now I have to find some more. Prune juice! Prune juice, I can leave! Guys, we got the prune juice! So now that we have the egg and let's move on to the next thing, which is putting them in the oven! Let's go! Alright guys, we got the egg and prune juice on the thing. Let's put it in the oven. Get in there! Oh, there we go. There it's on. Okay, and while we're waiting, the next thing says, enjoy. Huh? Oh, I think it's ready. Ugh. Oh, it's pumpkin pie. That's nice. Wait a minute. Let me look at the list again. Uh-oh. This was for how to make a pumpkin pie.
The king goes The king goes.